Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC sedan. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A silk beige MB Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats. And alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a porcelain fabric headliner, dark brown linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25 widescreen display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C300 has 3,212 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.